Samsung invited us to their recent event in London to find out about the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. The new handset promises enhanced viewing and gaming capabilities. To find out more, I spoke to Kadesh Beckford, Samsung's smartphone specialist product manager, to find out how the Galaxy Z Fold 8 has been designed with gamers and entertainment fans in mind. Now Kadesh, can you just tell me what makes the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 great for gaming?
Well, first of all, I'd probably say it's the design and ergonomics. So it's only 4.5 millimeters thin, it's only 201 grams. So it's really light, it's pocketable. It's a 5.5 inch screen, 16 by 10 aspect ratio. That's where a lot of apps are actually designed for. So great from if I'm just literally playing Asphalt Legends as an example here. But once I've opened it, I'm now presented with a large 7.6 inch display. It's one of our brightest Galaxy devices ever at 3000 nits. And also it has an anti-reflective coating, so it means no matter whatever sunny condition that you're playing in, you'll be able to see it. We've got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 4 Galaxy processor, which has been customized for Galaxy, meaning that you're going to get some of the best gameplay ever that you get on a smartphone as well. So storing a game or even streaming a game, for example Xbox, it's absolutely brilliant on this device. Now the great thing, especially for gamers, especially when you're not sure about how to clock a level, you might want to look at your favorite YouTuber or somebody on Twitch. You can utilize this actually large display because it's perfect for viewing content, and how loud it is, your viewing experience is going to be brilliant. When you're ready, just close it up.
I'm quite a gamer.
Yes.
I like to bring up a YouTube video while I'm playing a game.
You know what, here I can easily open up games like Diablo Immortal, Genshin Impact, a load of ray tracing games to get that full capability. Recently, I've actually been a massive fan of Asphalt Legends, which I've been playing, and it's built into our gaming hub on these devices. So I can literally stream the game, play it, but not sure how to take the corner, I can just watch the video all at the same time. So from a web browsing experience for a phone, it's absolutely brilliant with that 4:3 aspect ratio. And then again, when you want to multitask or you want to watch YouTube at the same time, you can just drag it, you can have it at the bottom, you can have it to the side if you want it as well. So it's loud, it's fast, it's great for gaming. And one thing that I do love is the game launcher area and the gaming hub. So in here, we've got our game booster where I can customize all my settings. So I can change the refresh rate, my frame rates, and get all of that ray tracing quality.
All good so far, but what about the battery? How quickly can we get back into gaming when the phone runs low on juice?
Even though we've got an amazingly large display on here and fantastic processor and RAM, we've also been able to put in a 4,800 milliamp battery. That's absolutely amazing. It's actually a larger battery than last year's version of the device. And we've made the charging faster. So this has super fast charging 2.0, and you'll get 63% battery in 30 minutes. So you're looking at about 75 minutes for a full charge with this device. But in reality, that first 30 minutes is that key and important one as well. So you find getting 63% in 30 minutes is absolutely great. So it's enough power to last you playing a game and going out as well.
To find out more about the new Galaxy Z Fold 8 and the rest of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 range, head to Samsung.com. For all things gaming and tech, stick with IGN.